Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 119. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Shaoqing, right now. Miss Gu, do you still remember Director Chang Cha chose the supporting actress when you are filming Forgotten the Reaper? So she was pertaining to the old movies she's been into. Right now, Shaoqing, she was really thinking hard. Probably she's trying to remember, but of course, right now, looking at her reaction, it's look like she is not remembering. Ha ha, sorry, it's been long. I have no impressions about it. Apparently Shaoxing, she really feels sorry that she don't remember. This girl said to her, don't worry. She was shaking her head. Probably this is the girl that the supporting character before. Now, it really makes sense. She doesn't remember it. For you, at that time, it is indeed not a major event worth remembering to the project the role for a little unknown supporting role. So it turns out Xiaojing, she really did not remember her. But for me, if it wasn't for you to help me, I wouldn't be able to get where I am today. So it turns out it was a payback for her. Xiaojing's gratitude and kindness before, it is nothing to give you a character. So this girl, she really mean this. She really want to pay back Xiaojing. Of course, right now, Xiaojing, it seems to be flattered. Miss you are too kind. Now, Xiaojing, she looks really moved. Well, she really didn't expect it that she was before with her. Of course, Miss You right now. Miss Gu, you planted this good cause first. Well, definitely, the two of them have a kind heart. That's why they understand each other, especially right now. Xiaojing, right now, she only came back from being idle for the 2 years past. Assistant Director, Director Lee, something happened. It turns out the talking of the two of them got interrupted. Sunyi's agent just informed me that Sunzi had a car accident on the way to the studio. The situation is really serious, and we need to find someone else to star. Oh, right now, the director said, let's shoot another roles first. Others, let me think method. Of course, right now, it was really troublesome how to find an actress again, especially with the talents on music. The role of Yun Xiao is proficient in more than 10 kinds of musical instruments and dances. To this end, Director Lee asked Sun Si to join the group for training 1 month ago. Now that she came to an act, it's easier said than done in a short period of time. So, it was really sad. Let's hope they can find a new star to be able to fill the gaps. 3 days later, well, there's someone's playing a piano. What do you think? Who is it? It looks really sophisticated, especially on that nightgown. It looks really beautiful. Oh, who's the girls playing the piano? It was really intriguing and also a little bit curious. This person would be Shao Jing's partner in this movie. Well, it turns out it was our Queenie. Suhishi suddenly become the reliever. Well, this is really the great idea. How can she do this? So it turns out, other than acting, she was also good at playing music. Definitely, she was really looking good. Right now, she continued to play the piano, and everyone seems to be surprised. She looked back. Director Lee, do you want to shoot this again? Now, Suishi was asking Director Lee. Well, definitely. This really look amazing. Director Lee and the other crew. Look at them. No, it's already perfect. Xiaosu, thank you for coming to the rescue. Now, it really makes sense. Director Lee, she was really happy. Suhishi said, you're welcome. The queen is too curly. Well, definitely, everyone seems to be watching her. Well, what about Xiaojing? Now, the pressure is on Sister Xiaojing. Hey, originally wanted to rely on the movie to win award winning, but it was better than Sun Si before. Now, she need to compete on Suhishi again. Start of shooting. Well, everyone seems to be busy. Xiaojing, she was preparing herself for the shooting. All the crew has been busy setting up the places. Have you heard of it? Suhishu is going to get engaged to Shenya. Isn't it she with Shong Lishan? Shong Lishan is here to visit the class today. Who knows what's going on? Well, the girl seems to be gossiping. Miss Jing, what's the matter? Of course, after hearing the news right now, Xiaojing, she seems to be in force. Well, definitely, she was really thinking hard. It's okay, let's go back to the hotel. Well, she looks really not good. After hearing that news, of course, deep inside on herself, she really have a feelings for her. Now, she feels so sad. She was walking alone on the hallway of the hotel. It seems to be getting forced. Well, someone was calling her. Miss Gu, you came just right. Well, who is the girl was calling her? It seems that she was not feeling good. Also, at this moment, Xiaosu went out for something, and I was in a hurry to go back to work and have no time to wait for her to come back. Could you please hand over the house keys to her for me? So it turns out it was Ara. Xiaojing said, "That's all right." Now, looking at her face, she looks really serious. That Ara is asking her for her help. Suddenly, Ara took out the house key and she was giving it to her, but Xiaojing, she was only seeing the ring of Ara that she was wearing right now. Suddenly, her eye focused on the sight of the ring. Well, definitely right now, she was looking into it. She remembered before that she also have a ring. Ara said to her, "I heard that you and Xiaosu are going to shoot a kiss since tomorrow." Oh, is Aris going to get jealous? Well, definitely, she might be. But of course right now Xiaojing answered her and said yes. Well, definitely right now, this is not really feeling good. Whether Ara teasing her or something else, let's see on what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!